Hello students, today we are going to do the numericals of on Doppler's effect of sound. What is the formula of the relation between real frequency and apparent frequency? So apparent frequency f dash equals to f into VSL upon VSS. VSL is what? Relative speed of sound with respect to the listener, and VSS is relative speed of sound with respect to the source. So you can see in your book page 1129 question number 1. Here it is given a source of sound is approaching towards a stationary listener, and it will be better to make the diagram. It is clear. So source is moving towards the listener. Listener means observer. And here it is given observer is at rest, means VL equals to 0. Listen, source is moving with what speed? 166 meter per second. Now it is given observer here sound of frequency double the real frequency. You have to find the speed of sound. Means the observer hears the frequency which is double the frequency of source. So f dash is 2 times of f. You have to find the speed of sound. What will be the direction of sound speed? From source to the listener. So as you know that from that formula, f dash is 2f equals to f into relative speed of sound with respect to listener. Listener is at rest, so it will remain v only, upon relative speed of sound with respect to the source. Both are travelling in the same direction, v minus 166. So when you will simplify, it will be 2v minus 166 equals to v. So 2v minus v equals to 2 into 166. So here v will come out 332 meter per second. V equals to 332 meter per second. This is the answer. Now question number 2, you can see here. Here a source is moving towards the stationary listener with a speed of 20 meter per second. Listener is at rest, source is moving towards the listener with this speed. What is the speed of sound which is given in the question? 332 meter per second. It is clear. It is given that the apparent frequency heard by the listener is 664 vibrations per second, means 664 hertz. It is clear. Vibrations per second, oscillations per second means it is hertz. You have to find the real frequency. So it is very simple, using the same formula. You will write the formula here. I am not writing. It is clear. You can write. So f dash is given 664. F you have to find relative speed of sound with respect to the listener. Listener is at rest, therefore relative speed will be 332 upon its relative speed with respect to this. Both are moving in the same direction, minus 20. When you will simplify, 332 1 ja, 332 2 ja. So 2 equals to f upon 312. So what is f? It will be 624 hertz or 624 vibrations per second. Now you can see the question number 3. An engine is moving towards a platform where a listener is standing, observer is standing. Engine is producing the sound of this frequency and moving towards the platform with speed of 5 meter per second. Here observer is standing on the platform. You have to find the what is the frequency received by the observer, frequency heard by the observer, means f dash you have to find. and since it is standing, therefore it will be at rest. What will be the direction of sounds? Direction of sound will be from engine to the listener. This 3, and we will take 330 meter per second. If it is not given, you will take 330 meter per second. So once again we will use the same formula. F dash equals to F into VSL upon VSS. Now VSL is given how much? F is given how much? 600. VSL, what will be? Listener is at rest, so it will remain only 330 divided by VSS. Both are moving in the same direction, so it will be 330 minus 5. So when you will simplify, it will be 600 into 330 upon 325. It's clear. When you will simplify, it will come out, you can see here, 609 hertz. Means this will be the apparent frequency heard by the observer. So now you will do these questions. All the questions are of same type and based on the same formula. It's clear? So you will do these questions from your book. Numericals are given, so you can do from this. Thank you.